I'm Ravi Selvaganapathy. I'm a professor in mechanical engineering at McMaster University. At McMaster, we have recently started a center of excellence in protective equipment and materials. We focus on design of personal protective equipments in particular scenarios such as hospital settings or public places. Personal protective equipments are a new area of research in Canada. There's been very little research being conducted in this area. Furthermore, many of these materials are made from fossil fuels, and there is an opportunity to replace some of these materials by sustainable materials like plant based products as well as biodegradable materials. In front of me, you see one of these equipments where we use nano fiber development deposition technology in order to deposit these new materials onto masks and build sensors out of them. We have helped more than 35 to 40 companies, as well as organizations such as Canadian Standards Association and the province of Ontario. Through this, we aim to help the budding industry in Canada to have a sustainable future and become world leaders in this technology.